Hi, my name is Valerie Kleinman, and I'm an immigration lawyer at Green & Spiegel who specializes in Canadian immigration. Today, we're going to go over some options for French-speaking candidates who are interested in programs outside of Quebec. The Canadian Prime Minister recently confirmed that Francophone immigration outside of Quebec will continue to be a priority for the current government. First, I'll provide you with an overview of some temporary options that may be of particular interest to Francophones. The Francophone Mobility Work Permit is an excellent option for candidates who have a job offer anywhere in Canada outside of Quebec. The job offer can be at any occupation level, and the candidate will have to be able to show proof of French language proficiency. Secondly, we have the International Experience Canada program, which involves a youth mobility agreement between Canada and participating countries. This program for youth allows 3 different streams: working holiday, which is an open work permit not tied to an employer, young professionals for people who want to work on their professional development in a field that is related to their studies, and the co-op stream. The criteria and availability of the different streams depend on the participating country, but this is a great option for Francophones because it is available to several citizens of countries where French is spoken, such as France, Switzerland, Luxembourg, and Belgium. Our final temporary program is a student program, the Francophone Minority Community Student Pilot. This is for students who come from a member country of the Organisation Internationale de la Francophonie in Africa, the Middle East, and the Americas. The candidates have to have an acceptance letter from a participating institution for a program that's going to be at least 2 years long. French has to be the primary language of instruction, and we expect that there will be a pathway to PR for graduates from this program. And this brings us to our PR, our permanent residence options that we're going to talk about, and we're going to review 3. So the first is the Express Entry Application Management System, where eligible candidates can create a profile and enter into a pool to immigrate anywhere outside of Quebec. They're given a score to compare them to other people in the pool. There is a Francophone-based selection category for applicants who have sufficient French language proficiency. The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program has a path for candidates in the pool who speak English and French and have other qualifications. The province can send a notification of interest to the candidate, who would then apply to the provincial nomination program. If the candidate is successful, they'll receive a certificate which will increase their Express Entry score by 600 points. Finally, we have the Francophone Community Immigration Pilot. This program involves 6 participating communities from across Canada. Communities can support an applicant's PR application if the applicant has a job offer from a designated employer in the community and has an intention to live there. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please reach out if you have any questions.